Hey, how's it going? This is Jack from Codi. Today we're going to be talking about nose rollers. We got 4 of them on our machine on the filler here. Starting with 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is what it looks like when the nose roller is too high. This is what the nose roller looks like when it's too low. Whoa! Alright, to make this adjustment, we have 2 slotted holes on each side of the conveyor. We need to loosen these up using a 1/2-inch wrench. Alright, I'm going to loosen up these front ones, and then we're going to do a reach around on the back here to get these back ones. Now that we got that loose, we're going to take off our front door here. We only need to take out 3 of these bolts, and we're going to just swing it down. And then next, we can reach up underneath here, and we can pitch this to the perfect spot. We want it to have a slight step down onto the transfer plate. Now we gotta tighten up bolts that we loosened earlier on both sides. It is also important to make sure we did an even push on either side, so our conveyor belt still runs right down the center of our track. All right, it is time to see how we did. Let's take our water can, we'll put it on here. Money! That angle was perfect.